Welcome back guys to yet another video, and in this video we're going to be learning something very interesting: intro videos, how to design intro videos, but this time around in 5 minutes. So in the next 5 minutes, me and you are going to be editing an intro video starting now. So the first thing we're going to do is to head over to Canva. What are we doing in Canva, you may ask? That's your logo that you want to do an intro video for. That your logo must not have a background. You understand? You need to strip that logo of every single background that you might possibly have. Okay, and that's what we're going to be doing in Canva now. So let's assume that this is the logo we're going to be using, right? This logo in particular. Okay, so now this is what you're going to do: make the background to be black. Okay, make the background to be black, and then you're going to download this logo without a background. Note, without a background. So now this text, I manually added it, but some of the logos you might be using to do the intro video will have its own text, so just use it like that. It's part of the logo. Okay, now let's download it without a background. You click on download. That is by clicking on this icon over here. Okay, click on download. Okay, and okay, my own is in MP4. I don't know why it's in MP4. See, if your own is in MP4, see what I mean by MP4. If your own is in MP4, please change it to PNG. Okay, yeah, PNG is the best for images. Okay, so we're going to click over here. Wait, let me show you where I just clicked. So we're going to click here, and what is the page number? I did not check it. Oh my god, let's go back. I'm trying to be fast because of the 5 minutes. 9. Okay, the page number is 9. Okay, so let's download. Is you guys are slowing me down, safe. I want to show you guys how I do it. So that's what's slowing me down. Transparent background, right? Tap on transparent background and then tap on download. So the next thing we're going to do is to head over to renderforest.com. okay, head over to Renderforest, and this is where we're going to create our intro video. All right, so when you get to Renderforest, okay, you're going to find where they do edit videos. Okay, now as you can see here, what they are telling me here is edit the best mockups. This is not what we want. So we'll go to these 3 lines over here, these 3 lines, right? We'll go to, we tap on create, right? We tap on videos, right? Then we tap on intros. Okay, and then when we tap on intros, they're going to show us a lot of intro videos, and we'll choose from there. Now I'm using Renderforest Pro, but just in case you're not using Renderforest Pro, well, you can still find an intro video you can do that is free version. Okay, that you can do with free version basically. So me, I can use any of them. So let me just use this one. Okay, now you see here, you can choose what version you want the intro video to be in. What do I mean? You can choose if you want it to be in landscape. You can choose if you want it to be in like portrait. That is a TikTok stuff now. And you can also choose if you want to be in square. That's like Instagram mostly. So we're going to be choosing landscape. Okay, so let's click on create now. Because we're on YouTube, let's choose landscape. Let's click on create now. Now this is where you're going to add your logo. Okay, so you tap here, then you tap on upload and upload your logo. Go to files, and then here is the logo we downloaded. It's in recent files. Okay, it's in recent. See it here. So let me just tap on it. It's going to load. All right, it's done loading now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to edit this thing. If you notice, here is up, but here is not, full. So I'm going to edit it. So tap on the logo itself, tap on edit, and then you can just shift it to your taste. Okay, so I think it's okay like this. You can drag this one to increase or reduce the size. Okay, so this is okay. You tap on done. All right, when you tap on done, here you see your tagline here, your slogan. So now what this place is for is you can tap on it and put the company's name, like this one is Sopto, but I don't want to put the company's name because the logo already bears it. But let me just write it so that some of you will not be confused. Let me just write it, Sopto. Right, now you are done. The next thing you're going to do now is go to export, and the exports will tell you whether I want to export to 720, 1080, and 4K, and the rest of them. So let me choose 720. Okay, now if you're using free version, the one you will export with might even be worse than 720, or it might be 720 itself, right? Because you're using a free version. This Renderforest, they basically did the same thing that CapCut did. They just came along and boom, scattered everybody, because I know that time I started using it, the free version can do a lot for you, but these days I don't know. Anyway, it's loading now. All right, it's done loading. Okay, and as you can see, this is the logo we created. Where is the sound? Okay, I love the sound. Hope you can see it. And voila, we have an intro video in 5 minutes. Did it even take 5 minutes? Did it? Took less than 5 minutes, and that's it. So you can go to the Renderforest app. Okay, let's go to. You can go back and explore a lot of things. So that's it for this video, guys. You can go to the app, explore a lot of things. I used to advise all of you here. Most of these apps that I recommend to you, bring out at least 1 hour or 2 hours to just go inside there and just explore. Scroll the way you used to scroll on TikTok. Same thing. Scroll, browse through, see the different things they can do. Understand? This will save you a lot. I've been in a lot of situations where the software I'm using, I don't know that it can do some high level stuff that I thought I can only do with my laptop, and I'll be stressing myself whenever I'm not with my laptop. I can't do that stuff. Understand? So I've been in so many of those situations like that. So you, as a beginner, you are still fortunate. You still have time. Go through all these apps, scroll, explore to see so many things that they have. Okay, and that's it. Sorry for the interruption, but if you are enjoying this video, then a subscription to the channel will be in trolling. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.